It's like, ew, what is that? The package is damaged and like it smells like soap or like a scented candle, but it's like this waxy, icky stuff all over the box. Like, did they even look at the package before they packed it in the Amazon bag?
In the mirror, say I'm beautiful, I'm precious, I'm worth it, I'm perfect, I'm working, not worthless, girl, look in the mirror, say I'm heartfelt, not heartless, I'm loving even when I'm not, I'm loving regardless, take a look in the mirror, say I'm good, I'm amazing, my body good the way they got made, girl.